Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening photos and selecting the pictures you want to share. Choose Select to pick multiple items. Make sure the images are stored at full resolution. Enable iCloud Photos if you need consistent HD access across devices. If the recipient requires JPEG, convert one or two to verify quality. This avoids surprise compression later. Once done, tap the share icon to bring up delivery options. Make sure AirDrop, Messages, Mail, or Files appear in the share sheet. Next, decide how you will send the photos. AirDrop preserves original files and is fastest for nearby devices, so you should enable Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. Set visibility correctly to find the recipient. If using Messages, tap the image preview, choose Options, then select Keep Originals to avoid iPhone downscaling. For Mail or Cloud links, attach the full-size file or upload to iCloud Drive and share the download link. That way, the recipient can download the HD originals rather than a compressed preview. Finally, send the files and verify delivery. With AirDrop, you'll see Done, and Messages shows Sent status. Check the recipient open the images. Ask them to inspect file details or open in Photos to confirm resolution and metadata, because that proves HD transfer. If images arrive compressed, make sure you would keep originals selected or resend using an iCloud download link or a zip archive via mail to preserve all files. If problems persist, toggle iCloud Photos off and on, then retry the chosen method.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.